School's in session, and you know what that means. Your brain is in work mode. Teachers, class, and early mornings come with major challenges. But we're here to help you to cut little corners, just with a little thinking and craftiness. Can you get enough with these school hacks? Neither can we. Oops. Wait, I can't erase with this thing. Did I leave my big eraser at home? Oh, maybe I can use this. Don't use that. What? This is not an eraser. It's holding test formulas hidden. Quick, teacher is coming. Oh boy, that was close. We nearly got caught. Not at all. See? I'll show you how to make one. Start by taking the eraser out. Using a blade, cut an eraser into 3 equal portions and put the middle aside. Add some glue on one end and stick your formula paper on it. Then neatly fold it and apply glue on the other side as well. And put the eraser back on. See? Now you won't ever be caught cheating in class. Sitting in the back of the classroom, we can get away with just about anything. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be sneaky with your curricular activities. Well, Sophie is not the one being careful. Excuse me. Sorry, teacher, I was just… Say no more. You'll get it back after class. Looks like Emma is one step ahead of the game. Hey, what was that? How did you get away with that? I want to play it too. I know, she didn't suspect a thing. Want to have your own sneaky notebook? Place your phone, or whatever you want to hide, and outline it with a pencil. Now remove the item and cut with a blade along the lines. And here you have your secret notebook. Now you can enjoy your favorite games without getting caught. Pretty genius, right? Quick, the teacher is coming again. Hide your phone. This is so good. This is perfect. We can easily enjoy our games like this. Learning all the formulas for tomorrow's test can be super stressful. Sophie seems out of herself to remember all the formulas. Don't worry, girl. I have an answer for you. Come here. This is all you're going to need for tomorrow's test. Just take your formula paper and add some tape on formulas you want to copy. Cut out your formulas with scissors and soak it into the water until the paper comes off. You should have ink left on the tape. And then just simply put it on the water bottle. Bring your water bottle on the test day, and you will be covered to have all the answers. Pretty awesome, huh? The teacher won't even suspect anything from you. Well, Mary has some other plans rather than studying. She's about to pass a note to Sophie. Okay, fire. Perfect hit. A note from Mary. Man, busted. I think Daniel loves you? Next time you want to pass notes in class, take a sneakier route so you cannot be caught again. Use a regular hairbrush to brush your hair, because it's nothing bad about it in class. Open your hairbrush and stick your note inside behind the bristles. Hey Mary, you want to borrow my brush? Mary. Oh, sorry, let me grab this one. Thanks, Sophie. Oh my God, Sophie, you like him back? You got your test back. Did I get an F? What? How? You have to study harder. Oh no, I studied all night for this. I know it's sad, and the next test is tomorrow. I know, this is a perfect place to sneak my answers into the test. Just take a regular Coke bottle filled with Coke. Write your answers with permanent marker. Just don't forget to take your Coke on the test day. Good luck, girls! Oh no, not again! I will never pass this class. No worries for Sophie. She has her answers on her sneaky Coke bottle. Just take your Coke bottle and copy all the answers you need. Simple as that. Look to see if the teacher is not looking. Ah yes, all the answers on the tip of your finger. Hey, what's that, Mary? Oh my gosh, that's amazing! If you want to put your answers on your finger, just take a single patch. Remove the cover and have your printed answers on the small paper and put it on the bandage. Wrap the plaster around your finger and you should look innocent with that patch while having all the answers with you. Quick, the teacher is coming! Are you girls copying from anywhere? Seems not. Brilliant! Another test passed on our side. We all sometimes need some brain food to get through the class. Oh no. You're not allowed crunching in class. But if you want to get through your day, you have to know how to be a sneaky snacker. Stick a pen or pencil through the side of the bag and easily balance the bag through your and your neighbor's desk. Now you can eat your snacks completely unnoticed by the teacher. How easy and awesome is that? Mary seems a bit cautious. What's she up to? Is she planning to glue something? Geez, are you eating your glue, Mary? Stop it, that's wrong. You want to try some of it? It's delicious. Heck no, I'm not eating glue. Try it, trust me. Well, it smells funny. Actually smells like candy. That's delicious. To hide candy like Mary did, you'll need an empty glue stick and just simply pour your favorite flavor jelly inside. Now instead of a glue stick, you have your favorite fruit jelly inside. Oh my God, it's so delicious! I could eat this forever! Sometimes it's very hard to survive a class without any snacks. Oh yes! I can't wait till I get a hold of this in my mouth. Mmm, delicious as always. What's that? Is there someone eating candy during my class? Well, no more. Hand it over, Emma. You know you can't eat during class. Oh no, I'm busted. Emma, you will get us all in trouble. What have you been thinking? Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about our class rules. Don't be sad, Emma. Sophie knows some ways how you can hide food in class. Put one of your binders onto your desk. Find a clear sleeve and fill it with candy. Open the metal rings and put the sleeve into your binder. You can add as many sleeves as you want. That's how Sophie keeps herself unnoticed from the teacher. Can I have some? Quick, have some while the teacher is not watching. Can you get enough with these school hacks? Neither can we. Make sure to share with your other friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Wizard School to not miss the latest videos from our channel.